Hi, I'm Rob Gutierrez with Shield Mechanical. Today I'm going to kind of describe what we do when it comes to doing an AC tune-up. Um, First off, for example here, I would recommend these guys cut their bushes back here. If you notice the bushes are starting to get a little close and it's only going to be a matter of a little bit, they're going to be encroaching on this. So cut this back. We need maximum airflow around here. We're also going to check the fan blades, make sure the fan blades are good, not wobbly. Look at the motor, make sure there's no oil leaking. And then we're going to check disconnect, confirm that fuses are good. In this case, the breaker, make sure it's good. Throw some gauges on here, make sure the refrigerant charge is correct. Also look at like the capacitor, the contactor, and we'd also check the condensate drain for flow. We probably won't go up to the attic right now, but we'll show you the outside components here on how it goes. And to do an AC tune-up, we recommend that just basically because it's going to help extend the life of your unit, and you're going to have proof if a warranty item happens that you've been taking care of maintaining your unit. If you have air conditioning issues this summer, please do not hesitate to call us or go to our website to schedule an appointment. We do offer 24/7 emergency services. Thank you.